Hej, det er Sarah and Rebecca. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's Rebecca's room. Yes, we're in my room. It's very, very nice. Yes, and this is the bed. Okay, let's talk about our group. Yes.
Vores gruppe, altså til dem, der ikke skal ind.
En den består af Sarah. Nej. Den består af Sarah Jørgensen. Eller we're from Denmark. Okay, den består af Sarah Klopris and Rebecca and Sarah and Rebecca and Sarah.
You know, Sarah.
And Rebecca again.
It's a very small group.
Yes,
det er meget lille
and
gruppe.
we need you. We need you. Okay? You understand? We need you in our group. Okay, så er der lige til at bruge. On the header.
Ja, okay. Ja, så svarer jeg lige, hvad man skal bruge, ikke? Jeg kan ikke finde min.
Sarah is going to show you what you have to wear on your head to be in our group. I don't see. You see? It's bogpapir. I hope you understand bogpapir because I don't know what bogpapir. Toothpaper. Yes, okay. Okay, go. This one, eh? But to tell you more about that, so if you er med i vores gruppe. Ja, okay. Hej. Hej.